Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily enable developer mode on iOS 26 without Xcode and without any extra tool. For example, as you can see, I have installed this app on my device using sideloadly. Before I can open it, I will simply head to settings, go to general, scroll down to device management, then simply hit my ID I used to install this app, hit on trust, hit on allow. Now when I try to open it, you can see this message here, developer mode required. Simply hit OK. Now simply head to settings, scroll down until you see privacy and security. Simply hit it, then go all the way down and you will find developer mode. You will only see developer mode once you have installed an app using sideloadly or any other tool. Simply hit on it, then simply turn it on from here. You will see that it will ask you to restart your device. Simply hit restart. Now when your device restarts, you will see the screen ready to enable developer mode. Now simply from the bottom swipe up to continue. You will see this dialog and now simply hit enable and this will enable developer mode. After that, your device will restart to the home screen. Once you are in, you will now easily be able to open your app which you have installed. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.